I'm gonna have to try that again because I started the entire intro without sound. Hi, no! I don't have time for this. Here. I powder your nose. Boop. I hope that's not bad for you. Hello and welcome back to How to Hen. Today I am recreating something that I did in my very first YouTube video, which was a makeup tutorial. Here. Whoop. Well, looks like I'm doing that now. Not really a tutorial. This time I am doing Great Gatsby inspired makeup, 1920s flapper girl, because in 45 minutes I'm doing a Zoom call with my friends to do a murder mystery in which I am playing Madam Hoodawatwat, who is a artsy, I can't remember the character, I'll find out soon. And I already started putting my foundation on because I filmed the beginning of this without my microphone on. That's my new favourite thing to do. Also, there's a cat here. So I'm just gonna dive right in from pretty much what I've done is I toned my face, didn't moisturise it, put some primer on, put some foundation on, and here we are. I'm not supposed to contour because they wanted their faces round and with red cheeks in the 1920s, so I shouldn't have put any makeup on at all. I've also done this thing with my hair. Not really sure what it is or how to do it because I'm not a professional and I don't know what it's going to look like when it's done, but we'll see. I also don't know what I'm wearing yet and I'm very conscious of time, so this is going to be a short-ish video for a change. Yay! So no contouring, which is very hard for me because I like making it out as if I have cheekbones, but I want to be true to character, so no. Powder though, they apparently in the 20s, they loved a bit of this. Caked it on, so that I can do. Should I? Oh no, I should put the other powder on because it's a setting powder. This one. You should know by now that I don't really tell you what any of my products are because these people aren't paying me and I don't know if you care. Like I said in my first video, if you do care what I'm using and you'd like to know what these products are, you can comment and tell me. But primer, foundation, now this setting powder. I also don't have a powder puff, so I'm just using a cotton pad, which you're probably not meant to do, but I'm scared of using a brush. I'm playing an older lady in this murder mystery, so it doesn't really matter if this settles into my wrinkles. Okay, that feels like a lot of powder on my face. You're so very in the way. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna bother putting concealer on my eyes because I think the idea is to just kind of put black and grey on and smudge it. So let's do that. I'm worried about this. Okay. So something I do because I have hooded eyes is I very rarely put eyeliner on the inside, like on top of my eye. In here, I kind of usually start from here and go like, I also never use this, I always use liquid eyeliner. But character is everything, so. Oh, this is so haphazard. I also really hate doing it under my eye because again, it makes everything look heavy and sad, but here we go, just a little. Oh no. Ooh. Not loving this already. Time to smudge. Do I even have a brush for that? What does a smudging brush look like? This? This? That looks more smudgy, doesn't it? Just gonna go for it. Okay. Whoa! Okay, that works. I'm just like taking out eyelashes now. Ooh, my contact lens went for a wee journey there. Okay, so smoky-ish now. I'm gonna do that on the other side. If you came to this video looking for a genuine tutorial on how to do it properly, I can only apologise. But that's not really what I'm about. I feel like I definitely look more early 2000s emo kid than Great Gatsby right about now. I'm gonna use an actual colour, I think, now. So I have two Urban Decay palettes. I will actually tell you what these are because they're nice. This is Urban Decay Born to Run, and this is Urban Decay Distortion. And I'm going to use, look at me naming things like I'm a proper makeup artist. I'm going to use Drift, which is, oh my god, this one. Yeah, I even did swatches. I'm learning YouTube. And then, I don't know, just any brush. Any brush. You started shambolically, why not continue that way? So just gonna pile this on in a manner unlike I would normally do for makeup because it's supposed to be 20s and this is just what they did. So, well, I wasn't there, I don't know, but I think so. This feels a lot like when I put makeup on when I was like 15 or younger and I was still very much learning and I would just smear one colour across my entire eyelid and hope for the best. Okay, this is messy, but I'm gonna use a different brush to blend it out because that's still a thing I feel like I know how to do. And then I'm gonna go back in with the black at the eyelid, but as an eyeshadow and not that crusty eyeliner. I do the blindy, and then in again with the dark. And I'm gonna use this little brush, I think, this time. Apparently in the 20s they really loved Egyptian style and Egyptian makeup, and that's where all this heavy eyeliner came from. I'm actually going to add a slightly lighter colour from this other palette. I showed you the distortion one. It's called Shag because it's slightly brighter and more shimmery. I love that I'm just making mistakes and then blaming it on my dedication to this character. I think that's about as good as I'm going to get it. So mascara now. You look very moist. No, no. They're still pretty uneven, but whatever. Okay, eyebrows. Now apparently they brought the eyebrows down to here, which again is like the opposite of what I would normally try and do because of these hooded eyes of mine. Ooh, severe on the old brows. And now I've got to do that thing which I don't like doing, which is dark lips with dark eyes, because I think it just makes me look really tired. But it was the style, so who am I to argue? Actually no, I'm gonna do the sort of rosy cheeks first. Again, not something I would choose to do because I already have rosy cheeks and I tend to try and hide them more than anything else. But not today. This is more blush than I am comfortable with. Now lips. What they did in the 1920s was a Cupid's bow, so it was less than their actual lips to make it look more pouty. I'm basically just going to fill it in lip liner and then go over it in a dark lipstick. It is much harder than I expected it to be to get this little like Cupid's bow shape and get it right. It also doesn't help that my lipstick is totally flat. I should probably be using a brush for that. It's annoying that the lips aren't perfect because the eyes could always kind of be a bit of a mess, but they were obsessed with like lip shape in the 20s, so it would have been nice to, like, I think this needs to cut in a bit more, but I'm scared to keep touching it in case it just gets redder and redder and messier, so I'm just gonna leave it. The hair, I don't really know what's gonna happen. I'll probably have to curl. I don't think this will have done anything. Yeah, not really, but you know, these might have. I'm gonna go and play around with it and put something on my head and come back and show you the final result. Ta-da! I have transformed into Madame de What What. I tried to take the hair out and it looked horrendous, so I've just put a couple of the clips, you can't even see them because I have so much hair, back in, and that's it. And I'm super late, so I'm gonna go to this Zoom meeting. I hope that the final product, I know that none of this is particularly Gatsby-esque. I mean, this is slightly flapper, but it's the best I could do on short notice. If you liked watching me do whatever this was, please subscribe, hit the little bell, and see more of How to Hen's stuff in the future. If you are planning a hen party, Gatsby themed or otherwise, please get in touch or go to www.howtohen.com. Okay, happy henning guys, love you, bye.